In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an admin team member in Insightly CRM. Before we get started, make sure you're logged in with an account that has the proper permissions to manage users. Only users with admin or equivalent rights will be able to delete other admin team members. So if you don't see some of the options I mentioned, that's usually the reason. Once you're signed in, start by heading to your profile area. Look for your profile icon, usually found in the top corner of the screen. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, choose System Settings. This is where all of your account level and team level configuration lives, including user management. Inside System Settings, find the section labeled Users, and then click on User List. This page shows you everyone who currently has access to your Insightly CRM, including admins and standard users. Take a moment here to confirm that you're looking at the correct person, especially if you have multiple users with similar names. It's a good idea to double-check email addresses or roles if they're visible, just so you don't delete the wrong account. Next, locate the admin you want to remove. On the right-hand side of that users row, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open the action menu for that specific user. From the options that appear, select Delete User. At this point, Insightly will usually prompt you to confirm what you're about to do, because deleting a user is a permanent change. When you delete an admin, you also need to handle any records they own, such as contacts, opportunities, or projects. You don't want those records to become orphaned or unassigned. That's where the Reassign Records step comes in. You'll be asked to choose another active user in your system to take ownership of the records that currently belong to the admin you're deleting. Make sure you select someone who should logically take over that work, like a team lead or another admin. After you've chosen the new owner, click Reassign and Delete User. Insightly will reassign all of that admin's records to the user you selected and then remove the admin's access from your account. This may take a moment if they had a large number of records. Once it's done, review your user list again to confirm the admin is no longer there, and, if needed, let your team know who now owns those reassigned records.